Hello there.
Hi, I am here for the IADC, HSE+T virtual networking reception.
Glad you are joining the reception hosted in the Drops Forum app on your PC or mobile. So, I guess you would like to know how to join?
That is correct. Where do I go?
There are a few simple steps needed to get started. First, navigate to https://dropsbr.org, user-register to create a login. Here, you will need to provide your contact details. Everything that is marked with a star is mandatory.
Okay, should I provide my work or personal email? And do I really have to sign up?
We would prefer you to use your company email address if possible. And yes, you will need an account to be able to access the application.
Okay, no problem then.
Finally, you'll need to agree to the privacy policy, confirm that you are not a robot, and click Submit.
Great, what's next?
You will receive an email confirming your account. If you don't, please check your spam or junk mail folder.
Okay, have found it and confirmed.
Now it is time to install the app on your PC with the link provided in the video below.
That's not going to work. I am not allowed to install anything on my computer.
Most companies restrict the installation of software indeed, but you can often obtain permission by asking your IT department. The exact process differs from company to company. Keep in mind that it may take several days to obtain such permission.
What if they say no?
In that case, you can either try it on your personal computer or on a mobile phone. Most phones less than 3 years old should be able to run the app.
What about my Android tablet or iPad?
That would actually be better because it has a larger screen.
Okay, I will give that a try.
Now that we have installed the app, it is time to open it. You can find it on your computer or phone by searching for Drops Forum. After you open the app, you will see the following screen. You will need to log in with the same credentials created earlier.
Got it.
You will now enter the audio settings page. At this stage, or earlier, your computer or phone may ask you for permission to use your microphone. Please answer with yes. Make sure you can hear the music and that the microphone level bar is moving as in this recording. If you are having difficulty with this, contact your system administrator. After you answer yes to both questions, you will be taken to the next screen. We recommend you use a headphone.
Why do I need a headphone?
Headphones provide better audio quality and reduce the risk of an echo being created. Also keep in mind to connect your headphones before you open the application.
Understood, we'll set it up.
On the next screen, you are able to create and customize your avatar. You may select different types of hair, clothing, and change colors.
I can't make it look like me.
The idea here is not to make it look exactly like you, but to give you the ability to look a bit different from other visitors in the app. When you are happy with your avatar and ready to join, click the Join button. If you are getting any errors at this point, contact your system administrator or the Drops Asia secretary.
Great, I am in. What do I do now?
To move around, click anywhere you'd like to go on the screen with the left mouse button. To change your viewing direction, hold the right button and move the mouse in the direction you wish to view. You may also use your keyboard left and right button to turn and front and backward button to move. You may also change your viewing perspective like this by pressing the C button on your keyboard.
Okay, got it. How about on my mobile phone or tablet?
On the mobile phone, we recommend you rotate your phone to horizontal mode. Then, you may click this button to change your point of view. You may tap anywhere you'd like to go. To change your viewing direction, drag across the screen with 2 fingers. You may also move around using the joystick in the bottom.
Okay, this takes some getting used to.
Yes, it can be a bit awkward, but you'll get the hang of it.
Okay, understood. Now how do I talk with other people in the room?
You will first need to join a chat bubble by tapping or clicking on one of the tables in the exhibition area. The number over the table indicates the amount of spaces available.
Okay, what if it is full?
The maximum number cannot be exceeded. Please join another table. Now that you are positioned at the table, your audio is broadcasting to other people at the same table.
What about other people nearby?
They won't be able to hear you unless they join the table. While at the table, it is good practice to put yourself on mute if you are not talking. This is to avoid too much background noise for others.
How do I visit one of the exhibitors?
Similarly to the tables, just click on one of the tables in front of the exhibition to join.
How do I contact the exhibitor if I have further questions?
Just click the contact button and confirm. This will send an automated email to you and the exhibitor.
Can I come here anytime or just during the IADC networking reception?
The application is open most of the time and you are free to visit. The IADC exhibit is temporary and only attended during the designated virtual reception time.
I need some help setting this up and have some further questions about this application. Who do I contact for that?
Please reach out to the Drops Asia Secretariat secretariat@drops.asia.
Okay, thanks.
Enjoy the virtual networking reception.